Hi, welcome to this module. In this module you will learn about why the sailor has to be a meteorologist. The sailor is not really a meteorologist. He never went to university to study meteorology, he went sailing. But weather is the most important thing that will influence his day-to-day activities. The wind that he gets out of the meteorology, out of the weather, makes his boat go faster. If he has more wind, better direction than his competitor, he will win the race, and that was what he wants to do. The sailor will have to learn about meteorology for that reason. He has to take the decisions. These sailors, they sail around the world, so they will have to learn about weather on a global scale, in all oceans. Right? They only have to learn about a part of the weather, the bottom 30 meters of our atmosphere. That's what they sail in. And basically they're only interested in wind, because wind, that's what propels their boats. Waves, that's what slows down the boats most of the times, and that kind of stuff. They don't need to know about rain. It's all about wind direction. When is the wind going to increase? When is it going to get weaker? Where are the high pressures? Where are the low pressures? Where are the better wind conditions so I can beat my competitors and be the first one back here? For that, he can learn in a theoretical way. He can learn by specialized courses. But above all, he has to practice. He has to practice the knowledge he has by taking decisions on a day-to-day basis about what would I do now, where would I go? Because only once you've taken decisions and you've seen the consequences of those decisions, the wrong decisions and the good decisions, you start to acquire experience. In the end, you will need that experience to take right decisions with a minimum amount of risk and a maximum amount of opportunity every single day.